Parties don't have an option. It is the people of Goa who will decide. Parties have to go with their manifesto. You tell the people what they want. Now you see the Gadbandhan issue. Nobody knows what they want. They're saying they want to BJP out. Okay, BJP is out. The people have already decided. Why should the people vote you or vote the Congress? That is what we have to go put before the people. You cannot fool the people saying that BJP is bad. That's why you have to elect all this. Whoever is coming. Some parties are yet to be born. Some parties are born about 2 months ago. You cannot have Gadbandhan with parties which are about to be born.
How many seats you feel that if your party goes alone, you will be able to get?
No, I don't know as of now how many. But you know the sentiment of the people is against the BJP. All these people who are asking for a Mahagathbandhan, they are individual leaders in their own constituencies. I don't know what reach they have got beyond their own constituencies. Those people should come into the Congress if they got the views of the Congress party, if they got the interest of the people of Goa. They should join the Congress party. We cannot have government being held ransom by individual leaders.
So you feel your president has taken a right decision?
Definitely, definitely.